This is one thing I really like that they've integrated is a assistant vector store. In the past, you had to build an index, and you can still do that in Azure AI Search. But now you have 10,000 files that you could dump into here, and it automatically vectorizes them to be able to use, which is amazing because it reduces the friction that you would typically have with having to build all of that stuff yourself. Is the data files that are part of that assistant vector store. And then you have models and endpoints. So when you deploy your models, they'll end up here. And then you can actually click into them and see the details, connection strings, etc., for your models. And then you have all of these other things that are sort of on top of it. And you have the functionality sort of getting built out in a way in AI Foundry where you have like your main services and then you have Azure OpenAI services. So it's just like sort of all the same thing, but there's just some different delineations between Azure OpenAI or OpenAI on Azure services and then the inbuilt Foundry services. And then you have the ability to deploy web apps. So once you build your experience through here, you can deploy it to a web app and do a bunch of customization there. So it gets you interactions with basically that's the front end, this is the back end, and you build all of your AI app experiences with this sort of managing all the back end of it.